Another small update for the DAZA. I was measuring now the cylinder bore. Now, there is no scoring inside the cylinder bore. I don't see any problem. I measure it. It's 5,000 millimeter plus minus. Less than 100 millimeter. But they are missing the crankshaft bearing caps. It's not been torqued down. It's missing also the torque plate or the cylinder head. Okay. Now the cylinder wall, the cylinder, it's like the M56. Let me show you. Let me show you a second. This is a magnet. Okay. So it's not very strong magnet. You're not gonna hurt the cylinder. Okay. You see that it sticks there. All right. Let's start from that. Now, since I didn't show all the piston ring gap. One second to stop the stupid grinder. What I was saying. Since I have 5,000 millimeter, okay, a little bit more tight in some spots, a little bit more loose in some other spots. Now, first of all, it's within the specs for a factory. Now, since I don't see the coating here or the machining lines to disappear on the piston, here it's still visible in all of them. Since I didn't show the piston ring gap to be all in one spot, that means if let us say when I open the pistons, I saw the piston ring gap to be all at one spot, let us say at one point like this. You know, the cylinder, if it's not straight, if it's not round, let us say, you're gonna guide the piston rings to end up in one spot, all of them. I don't see that in any piston. Okay, yes, the top piston ring is burned. To burn the top piston ring, you can burn it even while you're tuning it. It's not difficult actually. If I keep the stock piston ring gap, that means as it comes, let us say the piston rings, and I just put it in, we're gonna have bigger problem right now. Fortunately, that's the reason why I'm gapping the piston rings. Now, this was the specs, how they suggest from some other people that they are making this setup again. They are doing the same setup. You're not touching the cylinders. We don't have to touch the cylinders. Only washing it with a soft brush. There is no any line, there is no any lip or something at bottom dead center, top dead center or something. It looks okay. I put a bet that if I bolt down the timing cover, head gasket, torquing it down, put also the crankshaft bearing caps, and then make the engine upside down, I put a bet that you're gonna be within 1,000 millimeter. Since I saw 5,000 millimeter right now, it will gonna be within 1,000. Again, that's what I say. I don't think so. I don't believe we're gonna have any problem. Judging, like I said, pistons, piston ring gap, cylinders, I believe we're gonna be fine. The blow by and the dirt inside of the engine, it goes because of this, because of the top piston ring. You can You can burn the piston ring, especially the top piston ring. You can burn it in one pull. In one pull, you can burn the top piston ring. While you are trying, let us say, to tune it, if you come a bit lean, if the intake temperature goes a little bit more high, if you have pushed the car a little bit more, let us say, you can make it. It's not something new. The easiest thing is to burn the top piston ring. So, that's it, small update. For me, the engine is fine. It's an update for the customer, for the owner. For me, I feel okay to close this engine with the cylinders like that. That's my opinion. Now, if the owner said to me, no, I want to put a new block, that's a different story. For me, I believe that we're not going to have any problem. That's a small update. Let's move on.